own gun. We know what go on.
Actually, I go like them now read it, so me I make them know, because if them now read, so if you talk me them ear. And a females, when leave the man alone, the man defend himself and him did a good job. Point blank clear. Really, I work with the enjoy a wonderful day.
Okay, you too, mama. Thank you.
Blessings. Let me know when I'm my time, I mute.
One man, no man, run it.
What me I say is, you see me? You see, in this thing we call life, everybody is a slave to them thoughts until them gain control of themselves. I say that for say this, you see, that thing that when you're in power is a different level of temptation. I'm not come here for blame no side. All me I say, them lack emotional intelligence. Some man make them ego get the best of them. That's why you see the system fight with a separate, because we don't understand the power of unity. Them have 15 man together who click the same way mentally, and them use it for destruction. Them should have used that for something more progressive in life, you see me? And as far as the cartel situation, yes, we all are slave to our thoughts and our ways until we gain self-control. And I feel like cartel have self-control at this point. And even the whole situation in cartel, a lot of artists before him do that. It's just a lifestyle, a dancehall where a lot of people grow up and become programmed for be that way. And cartel me feel like him find himself and I try the right way. Cause we all a slave to the programming on TV, to the system, all these spiritual attack mentally. That's why Bob Marley said, free yourself from mental slavery. And in order to do that, you have to gain control of self and be emotionally intelligent.
Exactly, I agree with you.
You see me? I'ma feel like cartel reach the heights, the highest level. We all come here to learn. You see me? The thing deeper than where we are say physical. The thing deep. You can't see the thoughts that go through people's head. You can't see the trauma where people go through. I'ma feel like Jaii Frais go through a lot of trauma. So him already don't care about nothing. Being all of the emotional attack when him get on social media. Some man will lose it that way there. Some man will afraid and then you just see them turn a monster because of life, where life give them. So you see me, I just unity and peace and love. We can't beat nobody, we have to teach them because we all a slave to the system until we learn better. You hear that?
That is it, my side. Respect my general. Little current music.
Okay, when I'm done.
Yeah, Little Kirk. Unmute me, General. You there still?
I don't understand the thing. So I never press on it. I just say I listen to it, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, I want fish tank, but they clean it and I hear not talk. I listen to the argument, you know, conscious vibration. Positive. So sorry about that, yeah?
All right, no problem, General. Big up yourself.
Let me say this really, because I forgot now, because I don't understand. As I used to come out and get out of Mobile, Glendevon, when a person...
One Mobile in a South Spring.
Don't say that. What? Yes, and when you strive and be successful in life, now once you reach at a point, now you want to become bad man and gang leader and ray. Me not understand that. You as an artist now, go through all the things where you do to become an artist. And then you go start act like a gang leader and a shen man for back, man. You're supposed to get it too. I mean, I hate you say it. And my friend them know how me stay about them things there. You need to leave certain things, you're artist. Why you carry one bag of man to do what? You're a gang leader? Come on, man. When we put down them things there, because next thing you know, that the person, mother with a ball film and say, my good you. If he may lose all his life last night. And I believe he should have lost his life last night. Real talk. Anyway, I'm going to try to say I can make $1 to buy a burger.
Alright, General, big up yourself.
What some people feel to understand.
Morning, they really. Oh.
Hold on there, father.
What some people feel to understand. You see, power will give you money. Money don't automatically give you power. You understand? So some people feel like so because they have money, they have power, and they say it worked. You understand me? I say that's why the system is still governed by the powerful people them. See me I say? So that's what the G said earlier. When some man makes some money, then there are certain heights, they feel like they have power now. And I say work my G. Now work like that. Power not just comes some. You understand? Either hand down to you or in some instance you get lucky and gain it. But most likely you hand down from tradition to tradition. That's some power will work. You see me?
Yeah. Nats, go through and then father go through. Nats. Nats. Nats B. Father go through.
Most of from what they are reading, I look on everything. Like, I look on the atmosphere of the dance hall, and I look on.
He's gonna come change you.
Got you.
Sorry about that. I look on the podcast, the podcast episode where they don't really a chat about a group there, you see me? And how him gesture them and how him mock them. And the last one them do what they with him and walkie, when him say yo, basically them not work properly, them not do what them need to do for put themselves out there as an artist. 100, you see me? And him richer than artist and walkie richer than artist. I'm in my mind me I say this follow back at that, me I say to myself, say, so hold on there, the man them now have no self-control as man, cause this a going in our culture a long time. And I'm not about just danmanship and rain. It's just part of the culture. The culture is you're up there, you have an entourage, you make moves, a man violate, your ego bruise, you want to set it in the street to make a boy know say Ray. Because the truth, if you get boxed up last night, and him hold the box up last night, and I thought they start go round, him would have to be more quiet. I guess that them want a more quiet Jaii Frais, but you can't quiet a winner, bro. You can't quiet a man when know exactly what him all about, Chargy. At no point in time, him not give you the idea say, him not know him all about, bro. Me I hear say, him disarm them. Me I hear say, a film gun. Either way, all we know for sure is that them underestimate him. That's just the bottom line. Right? Them see him, and them say, we are going to run a program on the board tonight. That freaky ras there. I say, them go down to the little freaky ras. Yeah. Go mash the little freaky ras, you know? And remember them see man, you think I walk this? You think I walk and talk this? You feel like say you can just run and out. At that them say, we are show him a lesson, man. We are show him a lesson. And what them don't know right now, they make him even more bigger. Because of this cartel use and eat up the whole industry in a controversy and talent. And Jaii Frais proved to him of talent. You see me? And the fix of it go run now.
The only thing, cause we have to bear in mind, we don't know the charges yet. So I only hope that there is no charge laid against him, because when I think he can bring in career and boot him up, but if there is any charge that is going to be laid against him, he's in a trouble. You see me I say? True. It might kill him career. You see me I say?
True. But I don't think it's going to kill him career in terms of public aspect, because so far from last night to today, what me say is him galvanize the people them on film side, because him set the template for how much for 2 years now. Showed we say him and a bad man, him will call the police. He's not about that life. Him sure with that. So when this happen, automatically woman got to violate them, try violate him, and him defend himself. And the police them, the way I see them escort him out last night, bro, the man got police officers club go shoot people, brother. Brother, them no say them in the wrong and Jay in the right, bro. And the truth, as me say, Jay not give you the kind of vibe like, oh, a gangster this, a Ray. You see me? Them boy, them ever moves. Yeah, but we know him ignorant, because we say him lead walkie. And we say him lead him co-host him. And we say him run him show. You see me? We know him not like wrong. We say him not like lose, him egotistic.
But them man they're not a murderer. Them man they not promote violence. And him know say, I'm career this. Whole thing me I worry about him. True me not dead it. Me not understand it. Me I say, if I disarm and shoot them, I self-defense. If I feel him gun him pop off and shoot them, I self-defense. But if him shoot them while them running, him can get a charge. I don't even know what is. I don't know because we never did it. You see me? But just I hope for your best. And the dog
do we know where exactly it's stemming from, really? We know where they come from, father? Like what?
Yes,
exactly
it is. I think it's stemming from him say 450 fall off.
Thing the way when I say
but
under the same management and in things.
And I guess the other day, as what Rasta said the other day, he might walk and talk about a similar conversation again, and him say phone of favorite artist broke, which was 450 matter.
And then they mention Valiant and him say, Mike, no, my dog rich for real. My dog rich for real. So I realize right there, so I say, I did 450, but then I mind me, I said to myself, say, bro, we're not gonna prove to Jaii Frais, say. We're not gonna prove to Jaii Frais, say, we're not bad it, because we don't show the 450 group, the group membership. And not really, every man can do things, but we're not a bad man. We're not a bad man. I mean, I don't want you get dead either. You will get shot. Many people are saying him fit dead. Him deserve whatever consequence him get. But I don't feel like him fit dead. If him dead, I God say him fit dead. But I don't feel like him fit dead. I mean, I think Jaii Frais shoot him to kill him. I just pussy understand yourself. Hold this, bam bam. You see me? I think Jaii Frais want. You see me? Yeah, I don't feel so. I say I get that vibes there. You see me? I don't want the youth fit dead either. Because that life precious. Him can live and learn. I want him to remember this too. Look on the gunshot wound them and remember. Don't fuck with people, brother. Remember. You see me? Remember. But I don't want him for dead. Alive. Him could have kids. Him could have kids where him need to feed. Him could have I don't want him dead. You see me? But them for learn them lesson, bro. Don't try to fuck with people when you feel like say. Sorry about the bad word. Don't try to show people when you feel like say yo less than or when you can intimidate or when you can bully, bro. Weak link. That's why them did walkie so cause them think a weak link. You see me, all them chat too much, but them think a weak link. So we are going to abuse it and do what we want to do. And see that now? I'm going to 450 get shot neither too because that stir up something even wickeder. Really, what happened if a 450 get shot really? In the morning now?
I don't think I want to go there so. I don't want to go there so. Alright, respect me general. Let's move on to somebody else. Javon, come through now. Javon, you there? Alright, Javon not there. Stacky, come through now. Hold on, bro. Hold on, boss lady. Stacky.
Yeah, man. First and foremost, round of applause for you, dog, man.
Yeah, man.
If I were the next way going idea, yeah? Oh,
man.
God. Smaller than a hands. Not even the mustard seed of the grassroots, you know?
Mm-hmm.
So they have to learn, man. They have to learn, because long time them a do it, you know. Artists are baddest thing. We don't know how like them are human being like them a robot. You see me? Take the youth light and run up. As far as saying ain't want nobody dead, but bro, it's a lesson to learn, man. It's an experience so they ain't go sorry for your life, man. You see me? Yeah. Definitely. So now, all good thing them have to do, I just see the youth. And I walk on the next side of the road, brother, cause when you take your youth off, like, you know, can't go slap him in the face and kiki, laugh off with the teeth, you see me? Yeah, man. Gunshot. And as they say, youth can't run, cause them shoot the youth in their body. So if I back with a shot or back with a shot, the youth get shot in a film back too.
Don't stop keeping the leg on that son.
If I back with a shot, I never want to say the next shot, but you understand?
Yo, fix up that.
Boy.
Fix up that.
I them a figure fix, you know, that. I them a feel, you know. I them a feel.
Really, me I gotta work more, just something quick and move.
Alright, hold on the stacky. Lady, you know, you run over to the box and really? I work, you feel like really? Hold on now. It be like they can run up in the box and two y'all go
Ship
work.
me there no read it. Read it me there ship in the water. Deep water me not read it me I go.
No, say them things. Yo, you can't say in the deep waters. Yo, you can't do them thing there. I want to do this morning, man.
Mr. Ship me eat ship me there. Me I take 2 minutes. What me I say read it? Remember you see this thing here? And we see what happened to the Gaza man already. You know when I think when we realize no matter how Jamaican artists become successful, they cannot handle the success that they get, right? Because you see violence, we have upon Jacure, we see Jacure a good artist, him go through the motions same way. And we see enough good artists that go through the motions because of violence. You understand me I say? And you see, right now, when you check your levels right now in a ready, right? And multiple people could have lose their life, you know. Not just one person who get caught up, you know. Right? And then guess what too? You see, them have to understand. Jaii Frais say what him say on the podcast and whatever, but members say 450 go make the song and call in name and says Ray Tete. You remember? I don't know nobody say that. You read it?
Yeah, say that?
No, me I say, me no you nobody talk about the part the way. Remember say what day when last song when me see 450 drop and throw the word pan Jaii Frais in the song.
You're coming late, man.
Oh.
Then when I talk about him and I say that's the best way to kill critics because he's an artist. Why not just do music? So the very fact that him and to be honest, Jaii Frais reaction to that song make 450 look like a shit.
Yeah.
Because Jaii Frais say, you can't, through no father in the body wash thing and that you know if you use, you can't use it. But kissing pum at 2026 a regular thing that.
Yeah, straight.
Bro, I'm sure that another artist thing somebody ever said to them as an artist, bro. I just show who Jaii Frais bit who him did, bro. Look how much people out there talk shit against them, bro. People out there talk shit against people every day, man, nigga. Yeah. Some man told them to individual to themselves too much, so it's a group of people that think to themselves, you know.
Stacky, that's why I wonder where it stem from, you know, because this come like I say, it's more than critique. Because I remember I said a little champion for this, so you know, it kind of there.
No, man. Throw them box up DJ Mac, so they feel like say this a man a softer than DJ Mac, and go box him up. So,
that's where that come from.
You understand? I'm not sure if them box up DJ Mac, but we just say that. She said this. People if you understand self, man, know they're not robot to bro. Yeah, really,
Well, on them, roll on it.
You no can't, you enough for act certain way, bro. Get out on yourself till you carry your friend nearly lose all your friend life. Come on, man. Jaii Frais do the right thing.
Reading me, I say one thing, Stacky me, I say one thing, and I'm cut, you know. You know, next thing too. Some boy, if you know this, you know. Stop putting on life on the line for man, for other man. Stop putting life on the line for other man. And they want to get caught up on a family and a mother can cry. Say, oh boy, man, it's good youth. Him this. Brother, you're not good youth. Because watch you now, don't put your life on the line. Because I guess you see a man, you cannot judge. You see, now this time we are living now, you cannot judge a man. You don't know it. You have to try to avoid violence as quick as possible. Jump in your vehicle and drive, go about your business. You understand?
No,
you can't see a man as a
big man. Yeah, big man. Left there sitting up for the youth, them. But I understand
this. Let me try to show you. Enough look youth use their life, you know. Because watch out.
Jesus
Christ.
Get
10,000, 20,000 and then jump on and say, why this, that, really?
Yo, me no want some Fred, you know.
Let me show you this now, man. Jaii Frais say a thing. And I feel like a that bun the producer, nigga. Because that I go fax. You see the fax say, the youth just a do tune for that the man there and not the tune for nobody else. All of the tune them sound alike Jaii Frais. So if you're gonna do something for a next producer, then go give for them style, probably you can get a next hit song. This man here a program the juvenile.
Alright, beg you a minute.
Hold on, let me get this point out, my dog. For him, way of showing the juvenile said them a did this. Him a try this, Jaii Frais. That him a try do. Him when forget the gunshot.